Welcome to day 6 of Beginner Yoga Challenge. Today we will practice an energizing beginner yoga flow and we will begin in standing. So come to the top of your mat. You can place your feet together or hip distance apart. See what feels better for you, more stable. Press your feet into the ground and lengthen through the crown of your head. Relax your shoulders down and turn your palms forward. Close your eyes if you feel stable here. Begin to deepen your breath, breathing in and out through the nose. Big inhale, long exhale. On your next inhale, circle your arms up to the sky. Open your arms into cactus shape and lift your chest for a gentle standing back bend. Big breath in, reach your arms up. Exhale, slightly bend your knees and bend forward from your hips. Place your fingertips to the mat. Allow your upper body and head hang heavy. On your next inhale, lift your torso, bringing it parallel to the ground. Place your hands on your shins or higher onto your thighs, coming into half forward bend. The spine is long, shoulders stay away from the ears. Take a deep inhale here. And exhale, bend forward, relax your upper body. With inhale, come up to standing, reach your arms up. Exhale, circle your arms down. One more time like this. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, cactus your arms, lift your chest, back bend. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, forward bend. Bend your knees as much as needed. Inhale, halfway lift, long spine. Exhale, full forward bend. Inhale, up to standing, arms reach up. Exhale, release your arms down. Inhale to reach your arms up. Exhale, back bend. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, forward bend. Bend your knees, step your right foot back. With inhale, come up into high lunge. Exhale to settle here, sit a little deeper. One more inhale, reach up through the fingertips. Exhale, bend forward, fingertips to the mat, step your right foot forward. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale, full forward bend and step your left foot back. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale to sit deeper here. One more big inhale. Exhale, bend forward, step your left foot forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, full forward bend. Inhale, come up to standing, reach your arms up. Exhale, release your arms down. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, back bend. Inhale, straighten the arms. Exhale, full forward bend. Step your right foot back. With inhale, raise up into high lunge. Exhale, lower your right heel down to the mat in line with the front knee, coming into warrior two. Make sure your front knee is facing forward over your toes. Hips are facing the long side of the mat. Arms parallel to the ground. Gaze over your front hand. Strong warrior pose. With your next inhale, lift your back heel coming into high lunge. Exhale into forward bend. Inhale, half forward bend, flat back. Exhale, bend forward again and step your left foot back. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, warrior two, other side. Back heel in line with the front heel. Front knee is facing forward. Relax your shoulders away from the ears. Look over your front hand. Inhale, coming into high lunge. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, full forward bend. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, arms down. And one last time. Inhale, reach your arms. Exhale, back bend. Inhale. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale, hands to the ground, step back into plank pose. Lower down your knees and lower your chest down to the ground. For Sphinx pose, place your forearms parallel to each other. Elbows underneath your shoulders. Press the tops of your feet and pubic bone into the mat. Press down through your forearms, lifting the chest. Think of pulling your chest forward between your upper arms and trying to bring your shoulder blades closer together. With your next exhale, release forehead down to the ground and press yourself up into downward facing dog. Pressing down through your hands, lengthen the spine and lift your hips high. Knees can stay slightly bent, heels don't have to touch the floor. Just think of lengthening through the sides of your body here, keeping the spine long. Pressing the belly and the chest back towards your thighs. And with exhale, slowly release, come to seated position. Straighten your left leg. Bend your right leg, placing the sole of the feet close to the left thigh. Inhale, reach your arms up, lengthen through the upper body. Exhale, bend to your straight leg, maybe holding your shin, ankle or foot, or using a yoga strap here. Think of reaching a bit more forward with your chest, trying to bring your belly closer to the thigh. Take one more breath here. And then place your left hand to your right knee. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist to the right. Just a gentle spinal twist. With your next inhale, come back to center. Straighten your right leg and bend your left knee, placing the foot closer to the right inner thigh. Take a big inhale to reach up through your arms, lengthen, and exhale, bend forward. And come up, right hand to your left knee. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist, gazing over your left shoulder. Come back to center and lay down on your back. Keep your knees bent. Place your right ankle over your left thigh. You can stay right here, pressing the knee a little bit more away from your body. So try to hold your thigh or your shin for a deeper stretch. You can also use a yoga strap here, hold it around your shin and gently pull on the strap to bring your leg closer to the chest. This is a reclined variation of pigeon pose, a nice stretch for your glutes and hips. Also a good alternative if the traditional pigeon pose doesn't feel good on your knees. Slowly release this leg and switch sides, placing your left ankle over the right thigh. Just staying here or holding behind your thigh, holding your shin, bringing the knee closer to you. This side might feel different. It's very common that one side is more flexible. Take one more breath here. And then release your legs. Bring the soles of your feet together and open the knees for reclined bound angle pose. Your hands can stay on the belly, above the head or alongside the body. Find the position that feels good. Maybe close your eyes. And stay still here for a minute, letting your body fully relax. Slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Bring your knees together. Roll to your favorite side. And then slowly come up to seated. Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you tomorrow. Bye!